Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to add animated captions in Capcut. So to do that, let's head over to our Capcut application. So once you're there, just head over to any project or start a new project. As you can see, I'm on a project right now. So I want to add a subtitle or animated subtitle in here. So what I need to do is just to make sure I'm on the timeline in which place I want to add my animated text. So I just want to add my animated text in here. So what I'll do is tap on the text option on the button just beside the overlay. And once you tap on it, you will see the option of add text. Tap on add text. And here goes your options for your text or subtitle. So I'm just writing rain right now. And here, as you can see, there are several options. And beside the effects, there is animations. So I'm heading over to animations. So as you can see, there are many pro features. So, but I want a free one because I'm using a free Capcut. So I will currently use this one. So once I do it, I'm gonna click or tap on the tick button. And if I just play my video, as you can see, my animated text is currently working. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.